Recolorable Elements tutorial by Sheila Santos. Using Adobe Illustrator. Here are the video contents. Creating 100 recolorable elements. Using Adobe Illustrator. Naming the elements. Creating metadatas. Contributing the files to Canva. Reviewed elements. Open Adobe Illustrator. Click Create New. Set it to 500 by 500 pixels. Change it to 100 artboards. Click Create. Make sure you're on Essentials Classic Workspace. Click Ctrl-0 to zoom in. Click the Pencil tool and choose Paintbrush tool. You can change the brush size on this drop-down menu. I'll draw my first design and it's a heart shape. Notice that when you select the path, it's not connected. Now select both and click Ctrl-8 to create compound path. Click Object tab and select Expand Appearance. Click Window tab and select Pathfinder. Click Unite. Notice that the lines are gone and it's now a compound path. Let's move this to the side. Let's resize the design to fit the artboard. Click Alt then scroll down the mouse wheel. Click the design while holding Alt button to duplicate, then move it to the side. Resize and make it smaller. Align it to the center of the design. Now create new design below the first design. Click Alt button while scrolling up the mouse wheel. Notice that it's not connected. Let's adjust the path to join. Now select the paths and expand its appearance. Then unite to create a compound path. Then resize to fit the artboard. Continue creating designs. Select all paths and expand appearance. Click on the artboard to release selection. Then select one design that needs to be united. Then do the same to others. Now select all paths and click Ctrl-8 to create compound path. Resize to fit the artboard. Create more designs until you reach the bottom artboard. Don't forget to convert the path into a compound path. Recount the designs and make sure it's only 10. Hold Alt button while scrolling down the mouse wheel to zoom out. Scroll up to the design. Select the designs and click Ctrl-8 to create one compound path. Zoom out again to view all designs. Now select all the designs from top to bottom. Click Alt and drag it to the side to create a copy. Make sure it's centered to the artboard. Zoom in to check. Zoom out. While it's still selected, click Ctrl-D to create duplicates. Hold Ctrl and click D again and again until it reaches all artboard. Zoom out, then select the first column of designs. Close the Pathfinder. From the swatches choose red. Then repeat the process until you made rainbow colors. Click the File tab. Select Export. Export for screens. You can choose where to save the files. I'll just leave mine in this folder. Make sure it's in SVG format. Rename the artboards according to the design it contains. I'll just copy-paste names of same design. Just repeat the process. Rename all artboards. Once done, click Cancel. Then click File tab and save. Rename the file and click Save. Click OK. Click the File tab. Select Export. Export for screens. I'll export it by 50s to avoid lagging. The first 50 items are done. Now, I'll export the other 50 items. After exporting, on your browser, go to canva.com/contributors/upload, then look for the Contributor Hub and select it. Let's download the CSV file sample for metadata. Open the downloaded CSV sample file. Open exported files besides the CSV file. We need to change the file name, title, keyword, artist, locale language, and description. Let's copy the first file name and paste it here. Double-click the top to expand. Drag it down to create a copy. Change the name. Then create more copies by dragging it down. Change numbers up to 9. Double-click the top to expand. Select the file names, Ctrl-C to copy then Ctrl-V to paste below. Do this until you reach line 101. Now scroll to the top and select next 10 file names. Click Ctrl-H. Type the file name. Type the next file name. Click Replace All. Click OK. Do the same steps to other files. Click Close. Now scroll up to the top, and double-click to expand title. Let's maximize the space. For the title, let's have a look again at the designs in Illustrator. You can follow the order of adjectives for your titles. I'll name this title according to its color, subject and what's the design about. Double-click to expand title. I'll just copy and paste the titles, then just change the color accordingly. Double-click to expand title. Now select the 10 titles. Click Ctrl-C to copy, then Ctrl-V to paste it on the description column. Delete these sample keywords. Just place your name here as an artist. I'll leave the locale as it is. Type in the keywords according to the design. Drag it down to make a copy. Don't forget to change the colors. Double-click to expand. Drag it down to create a copy. Same goes to this. Now select these 10 lines from the title up to the description. Then copy and paste it below until you reach line 101. Then scroll up to line 12, and select next 10 lines. Click Ctrl-H to find and replace words. Replace with the next subject. Find the recent subject. Click Replace All then OK. Now select 10 on description column. Click Replace All then OK. Now select 10 on keywords column. Change the capitalization of words because it matters on keywording. Click Replace All then OK. Now repeat the same technique on next items. After saving that metadatas, go to the Contributor Hub. Then locate the files to upload. Drag these 100 items to upload. And notice that it doesn't have any metadata. Now locate the CSV file of metadatas then drag to upload. Now look, metadatas are now applied to each item. Check I am the owner of the content then submit 100 paid items. Congratulations! Upload more. 5 days later. It's all approved. Start submitting yours now.